Hello everyone, today we are going to open the Euro-themed car culture 6-pack. It has the most known European car manufacturers, but I bet there is at least one casting you do not like, and a very cool packaging with the front opening up just like a book cover revealing all the cars. BMW 507 is kind of a new casting released in 2023. It's a very nice convertible with many details on it: silver front grille, headlights, we have the door knobs, tail lights, license plate, mirrors, and although it's a roadster, the details on the interior are almost non-existing. But considering it costs around $25, I guess we should not expect more. I have all the previous releases of it. White was first, red was the second variation, but in the same year, and last year we only had the yellow variation, but it has also been the Super Treasure Hunt one that was released in Spectra Flame Gold. The Super looks great, it was not easy to acquire, and I say I paid the right price for it. Mercedes-Benz 190E was released in 2017, designed by Mark Jones, a casting that has only seen premium releases, this pack being the first non-premium segment so far. It looks very good, it has the front grille, headlights, windscreen wipers, something you don't see that often, door knobs, it has the mirrors, tail lights, spoiler, Mercedes badge, exhaust and logos. It's full of details, the only one metal on metal, and usually these are the kind of details you see on premium sets. It's a very nice casting, and we know the releases before and all of them are interesting to say the least. In my collection, I only kept the Boulevard variation from 2023, and although that's a cool one, I don't think it's the best. That would have to be either the 2018 Car Culture Eurospeed or the 2019 Car Culture Teen Transport. Audi RS5 Coupe is another interesting casting that has only been part of mainlines and in the last 5 years only multi-pack releases. Details are present here as well: headlights, front grille with Audi badge, license plate, and under it the Quattro logo. On the sides it has the doorknobs and mirrors. In the back it has the lights, license plate, RS5 and Audi logos. The top, I think it should be carbon because it's painted different, and also the black line on the hood looks great. In my collection I only have the black variation from 2019 and I am searching for the red factory fresh that I really like. From the multi-packs, the white one was very interesting, the only one I could find, and I hope it will come in a single release in the future. Alfa Romeo GTV6 is a casting release in 2023 and it was the first one to be released with the deep dish L4 wheels type in the mainlines. Details are here as well: headlights, Alfa Romeo badge, windscreen wipers, doorknobs on the sides, mirrors, Hot Wheels livery, tail lights and license plate on the back. It's a casting that also has premium releases and it has even been a chase in the Car Culture World Tour. The first release in the mainlines was the red variation, and in the same year it also saw the white one that in my opinion is looking better, so I have both of them in my collection. Volkswagen Golf Mark 7 is by far my favorite casting from this set and one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings overall. It looks great, I love the color, the details like front grille, badge, headlights, doorknobs, mirrors, even the shark fin antenna on the roof. The back is also detailed with taillights and Volkswagen badge. It was released in 2016 in the Car Culture Euro style, a very cool premium set, and it had a few color variations in the mainlines as well. I have 2 of them, but I will definitely keep on searching for the rest. When it comes to premium, although the Car Culture Golf variation is the most known and most expensive, I like the last year's World Tour because it's the one I have. 1996 Porsche Carrera is probably not the most wanted model from Hot Wheels, but very interesting, one that has never been part of premium series, only mainlines. The color is very nice, appropriate for this casting, headlights and Porsche badge, doorknobs, mirrors, black colored roof, and it works really well with the color of the body. On the back we have the taillights that goes from left to the right in one piece, Carrera badge and even the dual exhaust pipes. It has been released in 2019 and I have the first release in my collection, as well as the 2024 variations with the Magnus Walk livery, from which I think the white looks the best. I'm not planning to find all of them in my collection, but definitely a future release if any designer is going to bring it in a premium set. I was very surprised with the level of details on all these castings, and I guess that's why the set has a high price. It's your choice if you want to collect it or not, but overall, it has very cool cards from some of the most known European manufacturers. I am more of a single card collector myself, and I am sure I would want all of these in my collection if they would be released individually. Happy collecting and have a great rest of your day.